Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make beef stroganoff. For this, we're gonna need beef meat, mushrooms, onion, some garlic cloves, spring onion, whipping cream, sour cream, and beef broth. I'm gonna start by slice the meat. And then slice the mushrooms. You can use browned mushrooms or white mushrooms. It's up to you. Chop the onion. I'm gonna use only half of the onion. And then finely chop the garlic clove. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is very hot, add the beef strips in a single layer. Cook 1 minute per side without stirring. When the beef is ready, remove the beef to a plate and cover to keep warm. Then, in a same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, add the onion, and the mushrooms, and cook them for like 6-8 minutes, or until the liquid has evaporated and onions and mushrooms are soft and lightly brown. Add the garlic, and saute for like 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of flour, and cook it for like another minute. Now add the beef broth, or you can use beef stock. Then add the whipping cream. And simmer for like 1-2 minutes. Stir a few tablespoons of the sauce into our sour cream. Then add it into the pan while stirring constantly. Season with some salt, pepper, add 1 teaspoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. And continue simmering until the sauce is creamy. Add the beef with any accumulated juices. And bring just to a simmer or until the beef is heated through. Chop the spring onion and some parsley. And spread it on top. You can serve over mashed potatoes or over pasta. Now let's taste it. This is actually so good. Yummy. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye!